With polished aesthetics, world-class athleticism, and an everyday driving experience that's primed for optimal enjoyment, it's easy to see why the fifth generation of America's favorite sports car remains an in-demand superstar. Driven sparingly in the hands of loving enthusiasts, this factory-fresh 50th anniversary Corvette wraps refined analog athleticism in spectacular shell and metallic red aesthetics. Want to enjoy some mind-bending performance that's spiced with a menacing touch of legendary motorsports heritage? For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.